Welcome to the Marketing Phoenix podcast, where you're going to learn the best growth strategies for marketing that leads to sales. My name is Melissa Rogozinski, and I'll be your host. Before we dive in, please be sure to click that follow button and subscribe to our show. Also, please remember to download and share your favorite episodes and tag RPC Strategies on LinkedIn. 5-star ratings are always welcome. Today's episode is part of our growth marketing series, and the topic is thought leadership. We're going to discuss how to use LinkedIn for client growth. If you're in the B2B tech space or service space, listen up. As a business owner myself, I have found LinkedIn to be one of the most important and powerful tools for expanding my network and attracting new clients. So let's dive in. LinkedIn isn't just another social media platform. It's a professional network with over 1 billion users worldwide and is expected to grow by more than 22% by 2028. That's a massive pool of potential clients and partners right at your fingertips. And the best part? These are people actively looking to make professional connections and do business. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm already swamped with work. How can I find time for this? But here's the thing. Spending just 15 to 20 minutes a day on LinkedIn can be more productive than hours spent on traditional networking or cold calling. You're reaching thousands of potential clients with each post, rather than just one at a time. So how do we make the most of LinkedIn? LinkedIn is all about building relationships, not just connections. We're not trying to connect with everyone. We're focused on those who likely need our services and those who can influence hiring decisions. Here's my strategy. Define your target client. We've already discussed this in the last 2 episodes. Use LinkedIn search filters to find the right people based on job title, skills, or company. Join relevant LinkedIn groups. This is a great way to connect with people who share your interests and might need your services. Build credibility, expertise, and value. Your profile should scream professionalism. Get a great headshot, carefully craft your headline, and create a custom banner that instantly communicates what you do. Share valuable content. This is crucial. Long-form content and videos are most effective. Write articles, share insights, create checklists, anything that showcases your expertise and provides real value to your connections. Personalize your outreach. Don't rely on LinkedIn's default messages. Take the time to craft personal invitations to connect and follow up. Use LinkedIn's analytical tools to monitor your page activity and identify visitors. Follow up with them, thank them for connecting, and see if they have any questions. Be patient and persistent. This isn't about hard selling. It's about building relationships over time. Remember, the key is to focus on providing value. Share insights that help solve problems for your target client. Show them why working with you is worth their investment. LinkedIn is an incredibly powerful tool for client growth, especially in B2B. With a little patience and persistence, you can build a network of high-quality leads and turn them into long-term clients and referral partners. It's all about showcasing your expertise, providing value, and building genuine relationships. Thanks for listening. If you'd like to leverage LinkedIn for business growth but need a little bit of coaching, please check out our YouTube playlist on LinkedIn training and download our Proven Sales Email Codex for LinkedIn email templates that will help you generate connections and meetings. Please follow our podcast and connect with me on LinkedIn. You can also reach out directly at rpc@rpcgrowthstrategies.com or 205-873-1234. Until next time, start engaging, stay consistent, and happy networking on LinkedIn.